Today we're installing the MachBuilt Hood Hinge mount on a 2022 Jeep JL. Let's get started. Tools required are a T50 and T45 Torx bits, 3/8 socket wrench, and 5/32 Allen wrench. Loosen and remove your factory hardware and set aside, as you will not be needing them. Locate the correct hinge mount. Driver and passenger are machined into the bottom side of the mount. Install with the provided hardware and tighten to OEM torque specs. Thanks for watching, and as always, honor your passion with MachBuilt.